Hello students, welcome to the class 7th Standard Mathematics. Today we shall learn exercise 2.2 question number 4. The area of rhombus is 100 square centimeter and length of one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter. Find the length of the other diagonal. So this is a statement problem. We can write the given values in the solution. Here the area of rhombus is given 100 square centimeter and one diagonal is given 8 centimeter and the other diagonal they are asking us to find it. Okay, now let's go for the formula, that is we know area of rhombus, and let us substitute these values and we can find the other diagonal like a previous sums. That is area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2 square units. The area of rhombus is given, that is 100 square centimeter and 1 by 2. So one of the diagonal we can take it as a 8 and another diagonal we do not know, so we can choose it as a d2. Now let's divide this table, divide the number 8 using the table 2. So we get 4. 2 4s are 8. So we can write 4 into d2. And if we bring this sign, it becomes division. Then we get d2. So when 100 is divided by 4, we get 25. So therefore d2 equal to 25 centimeter. Now the fifth question is, a suite is in the shape of rhombus whose diagonals are given as 4 cm and 5 cm. The surface of the suite should be covered by an aluminium foil. Clear? Now find the cost of the aluminium foil used for 400 such suites. So we need to find the cost of the 400 suites, but at the rate of rupees 7 per 100 square centimeter. But at the rate of rupees 7 per 100 square centimeter. So here rupees 7 is spent for the suite area of 100 square centimeter. Now let's go for the solution. So solution is, the suite is in the shape of rhombus. Okay, so the suite is in the shape of rhombus. Here d1 equal to 4 cm, d2 equal to 5 cm. So let's find a suite of the area of the rhombus. So that is area of a single suite. Therefore 1 by 2 into d1 into d2 square units, because the suite is in the shape of rhombus. So 1 by 2 into d1 is 4 and d2 is 5. So if we divide it, we get 2 and 2 into 5 we get 10 centimeter square. So area of a single suite. So area of the small size of the suite is, so area of a suite is 10 centimeter square. Now in the question they are telling the surface area should be covered by aluminum foil. Okay, they have given the clue, that is aluminum foil has to be used. Now find the cost of the aluminum foil used for 400 such suites. So 400 suites should be used to cover the aluminum foil. Aluminum foil should be used to cover the 400 such suites. So we can write area of 400 suites. Therefore 400 into 10. If we multiply, then we get 4000 centimeter square we can get. In the question they are telling that, so rupees 7 they are spending for the 100 square centimeter. Clear? Rupees 7 they are spending for 100 square centimeter. For 100 square centimeter they are spending 7 rupees. Now we need to find for 4000 centimeter square. So here you have to understand that is the square into centimeter and centimeter square are equal. So there is no difference between centimeter square and square centimeter. So for the 100 they are spending rupees 7. So we need to find for the 4000 how much is cost. Here the cost of 100 square centimeter equal to rupees 7. Then if we apply for the 1 square centimeter, then we can write it 7 by 100, or per square centimeter we can use 7 by 100, that is rupees 7 by 100. Now we need to apply this value for the 4000 centimeter square or 4000 square centimeter. So finally we can find therefore the cost of aluminum foil used for 4000 centimeter square, which means 400 sweets. Clear? So we can 4000 centimeter square we can write, and per square meter already we have the cost. What is that? 7 by 100. So if you multiply, then the denominator of the double zero and the 0 can be cancelled. Therefore the remaining is 40 into 7. So therefore 4 sevens are 28. So therefore rupees 280 is spent to cover the sweet by aluminum foil. So therefore we can conclude therefore the cost of 400 sweets when covered by aluminum foil is rupees 280.